This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning. It's now, well, actually almost noon now. We are preparing to go out, do some activities here in Chiang Mai. So here you can see the neighborhood. That's the house we rented. And then here you can see the neighbor house. Well, they're almost identical. Maybe they have the same architect who made them. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, yeah, you see that this is the BYD. Has some shade. Yeah, the Jaecoo is right inside, right in the sun, blasting. So, but the BYD you can preheat or rather pre-cool by just using the key fob. At least it runs a half an hour. The Jaecoo, as soon as you fire up the car, it actually fires up HVAC, so it's not blasting hot inside. So now we're just waiting for the family to get ready, and then we go to a cafe first. There's a little princess. Oh, the insect. No, okay, don't touch it. It might be smutsig. Yeah, daddy can just move it away. Then there'll be other insects who will eat it. Don't worry. Well, we went to the cafe. They have coffee and drinks, but they don't have food, so we skipped it. Now we're gonna go to Ram Hospital. It's actually right over there. We need some more medicine for Axel about his skin condition, and as usual, he's crying. Wow, we just spent 4 hours at the hospital. So yeah, first we waited extra time for the specialist, skin specialist to arrive, and then she did the examination and did some, yeah. And then we had to do, well, I had to check for blood, take a blood sample. Also had to wait lots of wait time. And then after that was done, then we had to wait some more and wait for the bill and for the medicine. So yeah, that was a total of 4 hours. We spent all day there. But it is important to go there. Yeah, because the problem is that when we go to Norway, to the doctor, allmennlege, fastlege in Norway, they just look at, they don't even examine properly. They just look at the skin and like, oh, it's some kind of eczema, and yeah. But here we could choose whether we want to do the check on the skin, several spots, or do a blood sample. The blood sample will give you a more accurate result, but it costs more. So yeah, this is not an insurance case because this problem already existed before we went to Thailand. So, but yeah. Now we're gonna go to a central festival. You guys know the regular drill. We go there, we do the bouncing, and you know, Thai people, shit. You know why there are so many congestions in Thailand? Because they don't use roundabouts here. Because Thai people, they don't know how to use roundabouts, and in general, the driving the driving education in Thailand is super poor. You can actually go there in the morning, get the driver's license by the end of the day. That's how poor the driving test or whatever the education is. Yeah. So that's why we will always have stau in Thailand. Roundabouts would have solved so many problems. Okay, we are here a bit late. We actually started bouncing already at 6, you know. We should be home soon by 6, but everything was just pushed late because of the hospital visit. But when we asked Isabel, do you want to skip the bounce? No. She wants to bounce, so okay, we'll bounce 45 minutes maybe. Not sure about 1 hour. We have the time until, yeah, 7:30. But that's gonna be late, so we'll see. But not everything goes as planned. Isabel, where you want to bounce, huh? You like it? You like the bounce? Yeah, she loves the bounce. She loves this place. It's just full of bouncy stuff. What is it, Isabel? What's up? Minifart. She wants to run. Okay, go, run! Okay, that was great. Almost 1 hour of bouncing. Now we are here eating khao kha mu. This is pork leg. Oh yeah, it's actually pretty good. Isabel likes it. And then here you can see the bounce place. Yeah, we were down there just now. Okay, let's enjoy some food then. Yeah. We ended up at food park again. I like this. It's a family room where you have diaper change room, you have toilet here for children, you have two breastfeeding thing. Only problem is that the music is playing kind of loud, so I have to keep talking. Yeah, but it's nice. I like this. Yeah, it's good to be in here when we need the service. Wow, today in front of Central Festival, there's a market here with music and stuff. How the heck do we get down here, down the stairs? I keep finding places in Thailand which are not child-friendly at all. And what about people in wheelchair? How do you get down here? Ich weiß nicht. What do we do? What do we do? Well, it is quite clumsy. We have to go back to the car and then put the strollers in the car and then carry as little as possible to the market. So I'll probably leave the camera here because I have to carry Isabel. Yeah, and Maya's carrying Axel. Okay, actually we are going somewhere else because it's way too loud there. And it's not good for Axel. It's probably also Isabel to be exposed to that loud music. So it's not very child friendly. Put it that way. We're gonna go somewhere else. Yeah, let's go. Okay, now we're gonna go to Romchok market. They are normally not open in the evenings on the regular days, only Monday and Tuesday, and today is Thursday, but there's got to be something there. If not, then I guess you go to 7-Eleven. No. Yeah, not everything went as planned today, but whatever. We'll just see what we can do. Well, guess what? There is stuff over here. I was told that they only have market here on Monday and Tuesday. That would be a lost opportunity for selling stuff every day. So yeah, let me see. Maya is about to join us. We park over there. I think she's about to turn in here, right? Where did wifey go now? Okay, we'll probably meet them soon. All right, let's see. Yeah, let me. Okay, there's Maya. I'll tell her to in there. Go. Yeah. Okay, here she comes. Yeah. So she could just park near one of us, right? Plenty of space here. There's so much food there, but we have to hurry because it's past 8 now, 8 in the evening, and they're starting to pack stuff. So, yeah, well, okay, she'll find a place. Okay. Look at this. Oh yeah, this is pineapple from Chiang Mai. It's supposed to be crunchy and sweet. Okay, 50 บาท Okay, เอาแน่ๆไหมอิสเบนมันก็ยังไม่ได้กินอย่างนั้นนะ Okay, and then I don't know. Let's see what else they have there. So they have fried chicken over here. They have some sausage here. They start cleaning up already. Oh, this is pork on a stick. Mukbing, you see here. Yeah, one of my favorites. No, this is, I'm not sure. This is probably not mukbing. There's something else. There's sushi here. There's everything here. Everything. Oh yeah, good stuff. Okay, let's join with the other guys. Well, we're back. Kind of late. Wait. Yeah. That clock is not correct. It's 9 already. So yeah, it turns out that Romchok is open every day, already from 3 in the afternoon, and then in weekends they open already 8 in the morning. We've been missing out on Romchok. It's quite awesome. There are lots of food and also shopping possibilities. So I think tomorrow afternoon we're gonna go there instead. And also this Airbnb house is just 5 minutes drive from Romchok. So yeah, now we just chill. But I'm gonna show you something. You know, we've been staying at many Airbnbs, and many places they have weird design on things. Well, the first thing is this, the toilet. Okay, well, you can lock it from inside, of course, but why did they make a lock on the outside? Huh? Is it because if you've been there too long, you get locked in? Huh? Don't stay there too long and sit and take a poop. And also here, okay, well, I understand this is that it is child safety, right? You do it like this, and then children cannot open here and they cannot enter the stairs. I don't know what is the whole purpose of it. But if I put on the child safety and people are upstairs over there, then they cannot get out. Axel is getting some evening food now. Oh yeah. Peachy. Oh, that's some awesome fruit. Banana and apple, mango, and banana puree. Yum, yum, yum. So yeah, he's 8 months old. He's getting these kind of morning and evening food plus milk in between. Yeah, breast milk. You know, he's actually quite strong. He has a strong grip, and his legs are strong. He's a strong boy. Yeah, you're getting a big boy now, huh? Yeah. Oh shit! The party pooper just arrived. Isabella said, "Oh, gonna come disturb now." Shit. Isabel, will you give me that look, huh? Okay, come on, Isabel, don't disturb Axel now. Okay, let him eat in peace, okay? She also wants some. Okay, yeah, but you know what? Axel doesn't finish all of it, so Isabel can have some of the leftover. But it's weird because before he went to hospital, he used to finish the whole thing packaged by himself. But after he had that incident with the toe and whatever, he has been eating less of this food. Look at this. This is pineapple from Chiang Mai. They are quite small, but they're crunchy and sweet. Haven't had it in a while. Let's try it. This is the shit. You know, when you buy those pineapples from elsewhere, like in Qingdao, they actually put syrup there to make it sweeter. You can taste it because after you've eaten several pieces, you feel like this kind of weird sweetness, like your body is, or your taste buds are saturated, oversaturated. But here, we have to go back to Longchok. Isabel, you like it? You like pineapple? ดูนี่ชิมเลยนะลำขนาดนั้นเนี่ยธรรมชาติลำมันอ๋อ